In this video, I'm going to show you how to get faster download speed on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings. And on System Settings, you want to go to Internet and you want to click on Internet Settings. Then on Internet, you want to choose a Wi-Fi and you want to click on Change Settings. And what we're going to do is we're going to DNS Settings and we're going to switch it from automatic to manual. Then what we want to do at the primary DNS, we want to change it to 0.001.001.001. We're going to click on OK, and then the secondary DNS, we're going to change it to 0.001.000.001. We're going to click on OK. We're going to click on Save. We're going to click on Start Software. And right here it only says 30 minutes. 31, 29, 28. And that's 27. And that's how you get 26. And that's how you get faster download speed on the Nintendo Switch 2.